In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Jira issue and effectively resolve an issue within your Jira project. Let's dive right in and make sure you have a seamless experience managing your project tasks. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to your Jira board or project. This is your main hub, where all your tasks and issues are organized. Think of it as the central brain of your project management system, keeping everything neatly in place. Once you're on your board, look for the specific issue you'd like to close. This could be something that's been resolved recently, or perhaps an older task that's been fully completed and just needs that final confirmation to indicate it's all done. It's crucial to review the details of this issue to ensure that everything is in order before closing it out. With the issue identified, the next step is to click on the issue itself. Doing so will open up the issue's detailed view. This is where you can see all the relevant information, comments, and activities that have been documented. Consider this view your magnifying glass, letting you inspect all parts closely to confirm that the issue is ready to close. Pay close attention to the status field in the issue details. The status field is your beacon, indicating the current state of the task within your workflow. It can range from to do to in progress, or maybe even testing. When you locate the status field, you'll want to click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find different stages or steps applicable to your workflow process. If your project is following a standard structure, you'll likely see options such as Done or Resolved. Selecting one of these options effectively marks the issue as closed. By choosing Resolved or Done, you're essentially communicating to your team that no further work is required on this issue. This step is crucial as it helps keep your team's progress clear and organized, ensuring everyone has a precise understanding of what's been completed. Once you've updated the issue status to indicate closure, simply head back to your board. You'll notice a visual change reflecting that the issue has moved to its final stage in your workflow. Alternatively, if you prefer a more visual approach, you can drag and drop the issue directly into the Done column on your board. This method is especially useful if you're a fan of Kanban-style boards, where issues are often moved by dragging them to different lanes or columns representing different stages of completion. It's as simple as that. Whether you decide to change the status in the issue details or drag the issue to the Done column, you now have two effective ways to ensure that your project accurately reflects the latest progress. By staying on top of these seemingly small tasks, you contribute significantly to smooth project management and clear communication with your team about what's been accomplished. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helps streamline your workflow in Jira.